So I'm working on my new to me Samsung C460W printer. There it is in bits right there. And what I've done is I've taken apart the paper pickup assembly and I'm trying to figure out what's wrong. And I think you might be able to see that that rubber pad in there is kind of smashed flat. And I think what's wrong is that the solenoid it's not close enough to that plate to actually activate it and activate the paper pickup function. It works sometimes, but not reliably. So I think what I'm going to try to do is replace that piece of crappy rubber that they've got in there with something else, maybe like a piece of funky foam or something. I'll see what I find. Well, I took the plate off and I stuck some craft foam to it with a bit of shoe goo, which is an amazing adhesive. It's also incredibly stinky, so you don't really want to be breathing the fumes too much. But if you need to fix something, you get yourself some shoe goo. It's a nice flexible adhesive, and you can even use it to fix your shoes. Alright, moment of truth. Let's see if it prints. Is it going to pick up paper? Oh, there it goes. I'm going to call that a win. No buying a new solenoid, no nothing. Just a little bit of craft foam and some shoe goo. Rock.